Bluetooth connected. Ready to pair.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Will, back in the building with another video. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here and you enjoy content like this, maybe consider hitting subscribe. So yo, today I have a product from the future. This is the GravaStar Mars Pro Bluetooth speaker. The Mars Pro has a futuristic design like it's from a cyberpunk movie or something you would see straight out of a sci-fi film. GravaStar has a few other products with this concept in mind. The GravaStar Mars Pro is available in white, yellow, black, and 4 special edition colors. Just looking at the design of the box itself looks super dope to me. The people at GravaStar who designed this are actually audiophiles. You have 6 RGB lights, which you know we all love RGB lights around here, up to a 15-hour battery life, true wireless stereo, so if you had 2 of these guys you can sync them together, shock absorption, structure when it comes to the legs, and lastly a body that is made out of zinc alloy. Even though GravaStar sent me this speaker out, I will give my full honest opinion with pros, cons, and thoughts about this product to help you make an informed decision if you're interested in checking this out. But anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead, jump into the box, and let's see what this speaker has to offer. The first thing you got here is going to be your user manual, USB-C to USB-A, and then they also have a USB-C to auxiliary cable, and then lastly you have your speaker. It looks super cool. Like, it really looks like it's from the future and it's gonna like attack me. It's actually got a good amount of weight to it than what you would think. I really love the attention to detail. It looks industrial with like all of these screw pieces. This is the tweeter right here for the speaker, and then you have the sub on this side here. At the bottom you have your USB-C port for charging. There are feet right here at the bottom that you just kind of slide out. It's not gonna damage your desk because of the rubber padding at the very bottom. It's about 7.5 inches wide and up.
Bluetooth connected.
One thing that I do notice off the rip is the button layout is like on the back side. If you have a RGB button, you can tap this to cycle through the 6 solid color options, or you can hold it down for 2 seconds. This will turn the lights completely off. These 2 lights do still stay on, which is the indicator for the Bluetooth and the battery. And then if you double tap, you now go into like a fade color changing mode. If you double tap it again, you're now in like music sync mode. It's going to beat to the music, but what's cool is I can change to different colors. The next button on this is going to be your Bluetooth. You can simply tap it.
Disconnected. Bluetooth connected.
And then the volume here is like a touch situation, and I did notice that you can accidentally change the volume by like grabbing it. Now this speaker isn't just about looks, it's obviously all about that sound. So I'm gonna play some music and we're gonna do a sound test, and you guys let me know what do you think about it. My microphone is here. Now my honest opinion, like, it sounds super good. I can hear good sound quality of like the low end, the mid range, and highs. Nothing seems to be kind of like lacking or too present. I would say this is about 80%. The tonality of the audio frequencies feels very well balanced with crystal clear audio and amazing sound quality. Like in this room right here, just like the average bedroom, listening to this at like on maybe 50, 60% is like plenty loudness. Even at max volume, The little rubberized feet is not like making this thing slide around. You have a full range with its tweeter design on front and the bass on the back. This is super easy to connect by choosing GravaStar Mars Pro in the Bluetooth settings of any of your devices and simply pairing it. And if you don't have a Bluetooth device, the GravaStar Mars Pro also comes with a USB-C to 3.5. The only downside to plugging it in via 3.5 jack is you can't charge this while also using it. Despite its compact size, the GravaStar Mars Pro delivers surprisingly powerful sound. This speaker produces deep, rich bass and crispy highs, creating an immersive listening experience. This little guy does not disappoint when it comes to sound quality. I would say small but mighty, and it's also obviously very portable as well. I probably wouldn't take this to the beach. This is also not waterproof, so you may not want to like take it to the pool. Final thoughts, pros and cons, all that jazz. My first pro here is, come on, look at the design of this. The people at GravaStar who created this, they obviously had a theme that they were sticking to, and I feel like they followed through. And the look, the build quality, this is very unique. I bet like even sticking this on my shelf, people will be like, Will, what is that? Next pro here is sound quality. Like I said, it's kind of hard to really show you over video, but take my word for it, the sound quality sounds amazing. Really good in any room in my house or even outside in the backyard. My first con with this device is there is no microphone built in. A few other cons or things to mention about this that I can see to be negative. This volume thing right here is super easy to like accidentally touch. This does have like pause and play for the music, but there is no next track or backtrack. Now, there are gonna be some audiophiles who probably will feel that the sound quality out of this device isn't that great, but for the average consumer audio person like myself, it's gonna be more than enough. Bass is there, super boomy, sounds amazing. Same for highs and mids. Nothing is really lacking on the speaker, and I think it sounds really great, especially again for its size. That's a wrap on today's review of the GravaStar Mars Pro Bluetooth speaker. Would you pick this up? Let me know down in the comments section below. If you are interested in picking one of these up, I do have a link in the description with some discount codes that will save you some money and also give me a small commission. So hook me up, I'll hook you up. I really appreciate you hanging out with me today, checking out this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave your boy a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'm gonna holla at y'all next week in my next video. Deuces.